I'll open it. This is the brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper, and I'm just taking delivery. Let's go to the shop and rewind now. This is the brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper, and I'm here at the service center to pick mine up. Let me take you behind the scenes of what that's like, everything on the checklist, the things I love, the things I'm curious about, and everything else. Let's go. Well, let's start with the delivery process. I'm here at the service center, and you schedule your time through the app, which you know. But what you might not know are about the free drinks and the sodas and the seltzers. Can you see that little service station behind me? That's the waiting area. There's also sometimes Wi-Fi. But you walk into a garage, as I have here, a little bit north of downtown Austin, Texas. Whoa, check that out. They've got me all lined up. This is great. Here it goes. We push the door. By the way, if you haven't used a Tesla before, you know that these door locks open just like this, and we get inside. Now there's different documents and things to just show that it's a brand fresh new car. As I sit in, whoa, the seats. All right, let me just pull you guys inside here with me. And as I'm in the car already, I can tell how much quieter it is. The inside of the car does feel a bit like a spaceship. Now I opted for that red color car with the white interior, and that's what I'm very excited about. Well, you'll notice that the battery is charged up here to about 80%, and that's the percent that they recommend and suggest that you deliver it with. You can see that it has my scheduled delivery here. Now, as I look at the car, I'm gonna be going through a checklist to notice different things about the delivery. And I'm using an online checklist that I'll put up and show you right over here that another, I think Tesla Model Y owner had created. This checklist, you can scroll through and it's interactive to check different things like the wheels, the doors, the audio, the charging ports. Why do we do this? Just because it's easier to handle these things now than later. Are there a lot of mistakes with cars? Not really. I only spent about 5 minutes when I took my last car in and I received the delivery. But this time I want to be on top of it, and it's also just more fun. I love it. I can't wait. One of the most interesting things that I'm excited about, this sounds so silly. So you push a button and the seats go forward, but then the front seats also roll up. I'll show you how that works right now. So let's say that you're bringing in a bunch of groceries, maybe from Costco, my favorite store, and you want to put them into the back, but there's not enough room. Well, in the past, what you used to have to do is to move this front seat forward in the front seat, and you'd move the seat and you'd have to tilt your seat up so that there was enough room for it to go in. Well, you no longer have to do that because now you can just click these buttons in the back and the seat is gonna go forward, and also the front seat is gonna push forward just so there's enough room for those, and now there's so much room. Now this is one of the things that I love, by the way, about the Model Y, how much more space I have in the back. Compared to the Model 3, there's just so much more space, and I really do use it a lot. I end up using this space a whole lot for a variety of things, buying televisions or different groceries. Wait, hold on, I have to show you the screen in the back, because I really like having the screen back here. You've probably seen online, but you can select all of your music here and your different choices. You can watch YouTube, you can do videos back here. Here in the shop, you can see a few other colors. I guess this is the gray. This is, what do we see? The blue that's next to mine over there. For me personally, I like the red. I'm excited about it. I'm ready to go. Oh my gosh. The thing that's new is that the screen for driving, choose direction on the touchscreen. I guess I go forward? Wow, my first drive, I'm like trying to be so careful. Hello, Mom and Dad. Wow, here we go. This car is great. I can't wait to drive it. Well, that's a wrap. Here's my new car. I'm right in the sun. I'm gonna go drive home now. This is exciting. It's an honor to have this car. I'm happy for what Tesla does, and I'm thankful for what they're doing for America, for cars, and for an EV future. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.